No install, no Windows server in a control room. Web-based SCADA runs in the cloud, and your plant opens in a browser tab, from the office, from home, from your phone at the beach, if it comes to that. Here's what that actually looks like. The platform speaks Modbus TCP natively, plus OPC UA and MQTT for modern equipment. Devices connect to the cloud, serial gear bridges through a small edge connector, and everything lands in one live model. These are the dashboards you get: live device health, tags with quality, alarms, trends, HMI screens. Same views in every browser, phone included, with role-based users so operators and viewers see what they should. Pricing is straight subscription, starter at $29 a month for 10 devices, Pro at $99 for 50 devices, and Team Access. 30-day trial, no credit card. The whole point is you can try it right now, in the browser you're using. SCADA.modbussimulator.com, 30 days free. Link in the description.